So today we're heading back to the big job.
And it's a rainy day today, so when we tackle the big job, we're gonna do a bunch of stuff inside.
But first we gotta stop at Freeman's and grab a few things.
Because when you are tackling a nasty hoarder job, there's things you gotta get.
Now this is heaven right here. Check this out. What do you want, Julio?
I'm good right now.
You good? More for me then. Teriyaki, baby.
So here's a quick fact. Did you know that between 2 and 6% of all Americans are hoarders? So you never know who that hoarder could be. It could be your neighbor, it could be a family member, it could be the person around the corner. You never know. Have one small job that we need to stop at before we go tackle the big job.
Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button.
Now let's get this money. Now we got this recliner couch that needs to go, and let me show you how to pop off the backs and make it easy to move. Now this is how you take them off. There's these little latches right here. You just lift them up. Yeah. And then you just pull and pop and they come off. If you only got one person, you can always walk the couch. Walk the couch, baby. Now that was some damn easy money. We charged that much.
So we are back at the big job. Now, this is what it looked like before. What it looks like now. And today we are tackling the messiest part, the kitchen. So as you can see, we have to start right here at the door.
And here's an update on how many loads we've done so far. 25.5 loads.
And with many more to go.
And we had predicted that the living room would be 5 full loads, and that's exactly what it was.
So we brought over 150 trash bags, also some Tyvek suits. If you can see, you can get these at Home Depot or Freeman's for like 10 bucks. And some masks, because you want to mask up because there's a bunch of rat shit and droppings all over the place. And we also got some lights so we can see what we're getting into. And if you can see, it's pretty damn bad. And we also found some pretty cool stuff in this living room.
So my wife found a bunch of silver coins.
So you wouldn't think in a messy house like this that you would find anything worth taking home. But I actually found some Nike shoes, brand new, still in the box, that actually fit me. So I'm bringing those home.
And I found some passports and IDs. So if you need something like that, you know who to hit up, right? I'm just saying.
So it's been raining and we laid down plywood to make sure our truck doesn't get stuck in the mud.
So here's the game plan today. We're gonna load up as many trash cans as we can. We got about 30 trash cans here. We'll load all those up, and we have over 150 trash bags. And we're gonna put everything right here on the side so we have them ready for tomorrow. And if you can see, the Julio, he's already getting to work and getting in there. And one thing that sucks is this house has no power. Now leave a comment down below. How many loads you think we got left? Can you say money, 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 money? Now here's a little update. We got the barn already done. That was 15 loads, I do believe. And then over here in the horse stall, we did 5 loads over there. And then inside the house, we did 5 loads. So over here, if you can see, we got some metal. We got to recycle the paints and chemicals we won't take. And here's the horse stall. It is almost completely done, if you can see. Now I'm looking for a damn snow shovel. I got a few over here somewhere.
Now it's time to get to work.
going the extra mile. Come on now. You know how we do over here at Sonoma Strong Hauling. We always go the extra mile. It's crazy how much stuff people waste out here in America. There's so many canned foods that were never opened. So many paints and chemicals that weren't used. Brand new movies still with the plastic wrap around them that just got ruined. America is really, really wasteful. But it is the best country to ever live in. Let me tell you. Just don't be living like this.
So this is our progress so far. We're bagging things up. We're putting it off to the side. We're going to fill up the living room with trash cans and bags so that tomorrow when we come back, we can load up really quick and have other people bringing things out, bagging things up. So it takes teamwork.
So what do you smell, Julio?
I smell something, dude. Maybe something's dead in here. I wouldn't be surprised if we find a dead cat or something in here, or a possum or something. I thought it was like, I don't know, it smelled like a wet dog smell though.
Guess what? That's my ass.
So surprisingly, this job, although looks super nasty, it actually does not smell. If you are doing a job, a hoarder job, and it's nasty and it smells, take some Vicks, put it under your nose. You'd be so surprised. That will take the nasty smell away. This place does not have a nasty smell. And that's why it's not our worst hoarder job, because the ones that stink are the worst ones. So even though it doesn't smell, you still want to be careful because there's a lot of rat droppings and mold. So you should definitely be wearing a mask.
You're violating the code. Put your damn mask on.
I'll put it on right now. This gets way too hot in here.
No, you gotta put it on, sir.
Oh look, found some more.
Kool-Aid, Kool-Aid, Kool-Aid all day. Memories, memories, sweet memories. When my mother used to whoop my ass. And my dad used to whoop my ass with a belt. I'd be all crack-headed off Kool-Aid. And I am not BSing. Some of these Kool-Aids on eBay go for a lot of money. Check that out right there. You just never know in the trash business what's worth money.
Oh no.
What?
Don't even look in there.
Why?
There's a lot of mildew. Like mildew on the stuff. Mold, like a lot of mold in there.
Oh,
So
yeah,
we gotta, I'll wait, I don't want to open that again.
This shit ain't no joke. This is what real men and real women do. We don't play no games. We get in there and get it done.
So we are actually on the lookout because the owner of the house said that there possibly is some guns in the back bedroom. We're not there yet, but we got to keep our eyes out for that.
Now, one thing you don't want to do is be scared of big jobs like this. Back in the day, me and the JoJo and my brother tackled a huge job in Cloverdale, California. I do believe it was like 20 loads, and we tackled it with just a pickup truck in a trailer, a utility trailer. Remember that job?
I do remember the job. So, you know, sometimes you look at a big job and it will seem overwhelming, but, you know, just get ready to get down and dirty and work and just figure it out as you go. Like Matt said, we didn't have 2 dump trucks. We just had a truck and a trailer. And there's all kinds of ways that you can get a job like that done. So as you can see, we did a lot of work in the kitchen today. This morning, you couldn't even walk in here. And now you can walk all the way in. Plus we have all kinds of garbage cans. So the kitchen is almost done. We still have to go through all the cupboards, but at least we're able to get in here and walk and take a peek at what the other rooms look like. And tomorrow there'll be 5 of us tackling this house. So if you haven't yet, you should check out our Facebook group. It is called Junk Removal, Turning Trash into Cash. And there's lots of stuff on there that can give you some helpful advice. If you haven't yet, join it.
And the cover winner for our Trash Talk group is Strong Sons Junk Removal out of Solano County. And check out that badass dump truck with that wrap. Now, one thing you should be definitely keeping track of, and this is one reason why I love autopilot, you want to know what your average job size is for the year. And if you can see right here, our average job size is $885. And you also want to know where your jobs are coming from. And if you can see right here, this is where all of our jobs are coming from. So if you don't have a CRM, you should check out Autopilot. That's what we use. And it's only $50 a month. But you got to use the invite code Matt JoJo and save some cash. Well, just like that, we're done for the day, and we beat the rain, JoJo. And just so you know, we got some big news coming real soon.
So stay tuned for that.
And if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. And remember, me and the JoJo and the Julio love all you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.